Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, Freddy again. Like you guys seen on the title, today we're going to unboxing this Balenciaga. You guys know already, right? We will unboxing this later because this is come with the box and the box is very big and I'm currently at Macau. The box is actually like this. I got two items here. This is let's unboxing lah. So this is the big one we put down first. I will show you guys the box is actually like this. The previous off-white video. So when you open, oops, got this. Like this one the same like the receipt thing. Refund if you want to refund lah. And this one the like a greetings card. Oops, I will read later. This one is the box like this. So you guys can see, right? It's like this, and then just take out it. So I don't want to tear this as usual, right? Then got another. This one nothing anymore. I'll put aside. Then this. This is the Balenciaga sunglasses. So this is the greeting. Stay in shade with Balenciaga. So this is the box. I will show you guys in a cinematic later. But first, let's unboxing this. So the inside is like this. Then this is the dust bag. The dust bag is black color with black print Balenciaga. Then let's get excited. Is it far? Is it too far? This is the Balenciaga shade. Oh my god, it's just like that. Like I don't want to unboxing this thing. Let's try this on. This is just the like very lightweight Balenciaga shade. Then this is got the Balenciaga embossed here. Okay, like I see, and then inside and outside, and it say made in Japan. Okay. This is adjustable, but I don't know how to adjust, so okay lah. So I just tried it on first. Oh my god, it's very dark here. Ta-da! Is it nice? Oh my god. It's so cute. This is from MatchesFashion. Oh, thank you. I will talk later lah. So yep. So this is the sunglasses. Balenciaga bag! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god, the leather smell. This is the Balenciaga that gone viral, right? The pepper bag, is it, right? This is the medium size, north-south medium size, I guess. I don't know how to say that. So yep. This is got the MatchesFashion tag and then the Balenciaga let me see. Oh, authenticity certificate card. Whoa! Oh my god, this is come with a bigger box, so I cannot check in the box, right? It's so big, so I just open and then throw the box away. I mean the cardboard. So I just keep this thing, then I bring over here. I bring to Macau, then I just want to do the unboxing video. So yeah. So this inside got the zip, like so. So the zipper is like that lah. Yeah. So yeah. So inside got the paper. The paper I don't even show yet. Yeah, this is just like that. It's just a paper bag, right? Nothing. The inside got the detail Balenciaga, and then got one zipper pocket only. Yeah, and then silica gel. Okay, yeah, just like that. It's very simple. So I just want to do a quick unboxing before I use this. Oh my god, I love this. This is the Balenciaga new phone, right? If you guys know. So it's just like that lah. It's so cute, right? Oh my god, this is very cute. Pepper bag. Oh my god, this is retail price I think about 2006 or 2008 US dollars. Is it? I don't know. Let me know in the comment down below what do you guys think. So yeah. And I got this Balenciaga shade and then this Balenciaga pepper bag. So Okay, this is the end of the video, but I want to thank you guys. A lot of you guys using my code as Freddy Huang, right? When you guys check out at MatchesFashion, remember to use my code at the link down below. Then when you guys click on the link, right, then it will come up, enter my name, Freddy Huang. You guys will get 10% or 15% discount off. Okay? So thanks you guys, thanks a lot for using my code. A lot of people using my code, so I can get this too. So remember to use my code again, use a lot, yeah? So yeah, thanks to you guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, click the ring bell button so you guys can get notified when I upload a new video. Remember to like, share if you want, and nothing else. Goodbye guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.